Hello friends, my name is Komal Dogra. I am a parent myself and today I am here to share some of my experiences as a parent and over the years what I have learned. So some guiding, some parenting tips that might help you. Friends, as we all know, parenting is a challenging job and most of the parents raising teens will agree that parenting teens is the most difficult job on the earth. So we keep wondering what happened to that cute little child who was always a joy to be around. How he or she has turned into this arrogant, disobedient, reserved, and aloof person. Most of the times, parents keep asking themselves after caring, loving, and providing for every possible comfort within their reach, why their beloved child has turned into this distraught person. Have they done something wrong all these years while bringing up the child? Please stop blaming yourself as well as your teens and try to look at the things from a whole new perspective. Teenage is a difficult period to pass through for your child as well. He or she is no more a child and yet not still an adult, so this is a passing phase. They think themselves as adults but are still kids who need your support, care, and love. This process is also very challenging for them. They are undergoing many psychological, physical changes. They are trying to find a footing as a person. So there could be mood swings, there are secretiveness about what they do, urge to become and take their decisions independently. Then they have this whole new set of friends, and their newfound friends tend to become their family, and they trust them and are closer to them more than they are to their parents. In some cases, there may be substance abuse, violence, sex related issues which need more attention. So, most of parents are clueless about how to tackle the situation and may feel helpless, frustrated, and even angry. So let us try to understand and ease out things between you and your teens a little. The key to tackle the situation is you cannot fix your teens. Yes, you heard it right. The key is you cannot fix your teens. You can try to establish better relationship, better communication between you and them. So let's understand the dynamics at a little deeper level. What should be your parenting goals? Definitely not minting engineers and doctors. Your parenting goals could be to help your teenager to become responsible, confident, cooperative, and healthy adult. And number two, to build a healthy, strong, and long term relationship with your teen. So, can you think you can work on this? Is it too late? The good news is you can still learn and improve your parenting skills and bring about the change. But the change must start with you, as you are the only person you can change. So parents, are you ready for this journey? If yes, then watch out for the next video for the first baby step, or rather I should say the first parent step. Thank you.